We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montague County, northeastern Jack County, and for northwestern Wise County until 8:45. Cluster of severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from Bellevue up to near Lake Amon Carter, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Some of these storms are producing quarter-sized hail and possibly 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for Montague, Jack, and for northwestern Wise County until 8:45. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, quarter-sized hail are possible in this cluster of thunderstorms extending from Bellevue to near Lake Amon Carter, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.